How to allow camera permission on Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just go to the settings of your device and then tap on the apps option over here. Then tap on manage apps and just search for the Chrome application on your device. Now just wait until it loads. Now as it has loaded, just go to the Chrome application on your device and then go to the app permissions. As you tap on app permissions, you can see the option of camera is not allowed right now. So you cannot use the camera when using the Chrome. So all you have to do is go to the camera, then tap on allow only while using the app, or you can also tap on ask every time in order to give camera the access for the application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.